back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to cook pasta. So let's go into the video and start. Smash the like button to see the more videos like this. So let's go and start the video. Let's go.
Could be us. So back to what I was saying. Could be us.
So the ingredient is we got the flour, then pasta, macaroni, then we have got butter. So now I'm going to be cleaning. I'm going to wash the pasta. So you guys have to see. So guys, I have washed the pasta. So now we are going to on stove and boil the pasta. So guys, I have on the stove and it's boiling. Now I have to put a little bit of salt. So I take a little bit of salt and just done. So guys, it will take at least half an hour to boil. So guys, now we are going to be making the white sauce. So for the white sauce, you need melting flour. Then I have taken little bit of milk, just a little bit. Now what I'm going to do is just make a like a well and pour the milk into this. And so guys, finally the lump has gone. So now I am going to heat another pan. So now we need to put a little bit of butter. So I have taken a little bit of butter. Nicely it has to nicely spread around in the pan. Then only we'll get the sauce correctly. So guys, it has finally melted. So I have taken little more butter, which I have to get melted. This sound should come. Then only it's like, oh, it's melted. So a little more butter. So it's little more butter, and its total is 3 tablespoons of butter. So actually we need this, the noise. Then only it's like, oh, the butter is melted. And now just inside. So when you mix the pasta, this side and all, okay. Then this, when the butter gets a little bit brownish color, so we need little more brown. That smell of the butter, everything should go. So as well, even the pasta is ready. So guys, when we are pouring the cheese, we need to keep the stove in sim. We have to pour little bit. Now we need to pour it fully. So guys, finally the lumps are gone. So don't do the same mistake. When you're pouring it, please check it. Or same like me, only problem. So what I'm going to do is, in this sauce, so I have taken a little pinch of salt and now just go like this and keep it in. Put it in sim, guys. So the main thing, please put it in sim and mix it nicely. Till the flame comes, just keep it. So yes guys, it's finally a success. So it's coming. It's coming. So yes guys, finally we have got it, man. Let's go. So guys, I've taken a little bit of pepper. Not little bit. Then mix it nicely. So guys, mix it nicely so you avoid the lumps. Then guys, I have added little bit of cheese which can make it more interesting in pasta. So finally our boy is done. So now we have to off the stove. So we are going to put the pasta right now. So guys, this is the last step. Now I'm going to put on the stove. So we are going to add a little bit of chili flakes. So guys, oregano. So here it is guys, finally ready. So let's taste it. Ready. So let's taste it. Amazing guys, no words there. Nice. So guys, like, subscribe, comment down below if you want to see the more videos like this. Please comment down below and subscribe. Till then, goodbye. Have a nice day.